my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video is another huge shopping haul. So yeah, I've been shopping again in Poundland, Home Bargain. Obviously I'm going to be starting my tidy up videos or decluttering. I need to find a few bits in order to organise, so I've not got everything today, but just sourcing the stuff is really quite difficult. So obviously I've been in Poundland, been in Home Bargains, and I've got a couple of other bits and pieces, been in Wilkinson's, which is really good. So I've got a few things to go through with you, so let's get into the video. Right, so we're going to go through the Home Bargain stuff first. I got 2 bags of stuff. So first bag, I decided to pick up this sort of sink tidy. They did it in the white at the bottom as well. This one was got grey. I just thought this would be really good at the side of the sink, because at the minute I've got my little sponge, I've got my Dishmatic, I've got a cloth to wipe down that I regularly bleach, and then I just basically bung them in the little circular bit in the middle. So I thought this would be really good. Obviously the bottom does clip off so that you can, obviously going to catch the water, but then you can clip it off and clean it as well. I think this was $3.50. I can't find my receipt, but I think it's about £3.50. So I got that and thought that was really good. I could possibly hang my dishcloth over the top there, which was really good. But yeah, I thought that was cute. Now I also found these jars. Now they look like they're obviously for pasta and stuff, but I needed something to put like dishwasher tabs in and stuff like that, because I'm obviously going to do an under sink tidy because it's a complete bomb site. But I'm trying to source some things that I can put just to tidy it up. At the minute I've just got one box and then everything's just thrown on the top. So I got these ones. These were, I think these were $2.50 each. Really good. They're kind of lockable at the top as well, so they're really good as airtight containers. So if you wanted to put like food, dry food goods and stuff, they're really good for that. I've got glass ones for my dry food, but these ones are really handy and they're a really good size as well. So I thought dishwasher tabs maybe, but I picked up 2 because again, I don't know what I'm going to use the other one for at the moment, but you never know, it's going to come in handy somewhere somehow. So I got 2 of those. I did a couple of different sizes as well, but I wanted the square one. So right, next up I picked up 2 of the blue, but I got them in the pink ones instead this time, so I thought I would stock up on those. So yeah, I got those as well. And oh, and then I did get a normal a lilac coloured one, so I thought I'd try that. I only ever get the blue, so I wondered what the other ones were like. So I got one, oh it's, sorry, purple water, and then they're pink water, so I thought I'd try those ones. And then the rest, and then in this bag I also picked up one of the Life Sense reed diffusers. These are really nice and I use them in the downstairs toilet and they just really smell really nice. I think they were £2.50. So yeah, that was really good. I like that smell. This one's in the green apple, linen in the air, green apple, crisp linen, fresh air sort of smell. So yeah, that's one of my favourite scents. So yeah, I got that as well. Right, in the other bag I picked up some colour catcher for my friend that I forgot to give her today. So yeah, I did pick that up, and I better pass it to her tomorrow. So yeah, I got that, which was what, $2.99. Yeah. I also picked up 2 bags of the Fairy dishwasher tablets. Now I normally get the boxes of the other brand, and I can't think of the name of it right now, but they didn't have them, so I picked up these bags. I think these were $1.99 each, and you get 16 in a pack. So I picked up 2 bags of those. Then I also picked up some of the Dove Summer Revived Derma Spa. So obviously this is just a moisturiser. It's medium to dark skin. It's obviously going to give me a bit of a glow, hopefully, to get rid of this sort of pale skin. So yeah, I know I'm crazy. I always seem to be buying fake tans and I always seem to get something different. So I thought I'd give that a go. It is just a moisturiser with a bit of a hint in it. So it's not a full fake tan as such, but it should just give me a nice healthy glow. Then also from there, I did pick up 2 of these, but I gave one to Sam already. These are sort of the giant ones, the big one. This one's for Sam, I just have the little ones. So he's eaten one of those already, but I got him another one of those. I think they were £1 each. And then I picked up another Dishmatic that I actually got for work because we definitely need one. Definitely. So I got another one of those, and they were, I think that was 89 pence. Picked up two cans of lemon, Fanta lemon for Sam, because these aren't diet ones. And I'll put them in the fridge for him tonight, actually. Yeah, so I picked up, Fanta lemon, so 2 of those. And yeah, I thought that would be very nice for him to have a little drink of. He likes the lemon flavour. I think it was 2 for £1, so quite a good price. And then I also picked up some cat food, which the cats will appreciate because they really love whiskers. So yeah, that was everything from Home Bargain. So we've also got Poundland, which we'll go through now. So not masses from Poundland. I did pick up a new bag that said awesome. But in Poundland, I picked up some of these. Now I normally buy the original ones, but these are the, you know, the smart clips, the little clip things. Command strips things, command clips, whatever they're called, command hooks, yes. I normally buy the original ones and they're really quite expensive, but I think these were £1, so I hope they do a good job. They've obviously got the little stickies and everything, and I use them to hang up my Christmas lights, because outside we've got like, I think they're like plastic fascias. Don't quote me on that, I'm not completely sure. So we have to stick them, and we generally use the command hook. So yeah, so I got those, which were £1, which was brilliant because they usually cost me about £4. I also picked up some light bulbs because one went in our bathroom, but then since I actually found some that we had in the cupboard, because I'm not very organised. So I actually bought some more, but they were £1 as well. And then I did pick up this Bourjois lip colour from Poundland. I actually really liked it. And this one, it looks like a bit of a red colour. Let's just open it. But I thought it was pretty good for £1 then. I mean, I know Bourjois is not the cheapest. Let's just have a look. Yeah. Actually, it's quite nice. So I will definitely wear that. So yeah. That is nice. It's not too red. And to be honest, it feels so silky as well. So yeah, really happy with that purchase. Now I also picked up some more of these baskets. These are the slightly deeper ones. These were £1 each. Again, I'm going to be using these to sort out my mess. So yeah, I got 3 of those in the grey colour. And then I did pick up 2 packs of these, but I have opened the packs and Felix. They like whiskers, but they also like Felix, but they prefer whiskers. But I picked those up as well. I always usually get a couple of packets of those. That was everything from Poundland. Now this last bag is from Wilkinson's. So I had a look at their wallpaper. What do you think of this? I was thinking about putting this in my hallway, so I took a little bit of a sample. I actually quite like that. I quite like the geometric pattern. So yeah, took that as a sample. Sam likes it as well, so that might be going in the hallway at some point. Obviously that's going to be another project, decorating project. So I also picked up, because my cupboards are a little bit of a mess where the tins go. Literally I've got like one flat cupboard and then tins are just piled on top of one another and it's not doing the space justice. I got one of these nice and tidy shelf organisers. So obviously it's tiered, so you can add more things. You can see what's at the back, and it'll just be a little bit handier to add these on the shelf and put this inside instead. So I think that one will be quite handy and helpful. So I got that. And this was, I think it was £4.50 for that. Then I also picked up some tumble dryer sheets. They smell absolutely lovely. Excuse me as well. I think I'm getting a cough. Not good. It's like a dry tickle. Don't know why, but talking obviously irritates it a little bit. So let's hope I can make it to the end. So yeah, these are the 50 tumble dry sheets from Wilkinson's. smell absolutely gorgeous. I think they were like 89p or something. Then I also picked up some tissues for our living room, and I did like these because I love the colour of the hearts. They're like little shades of like grey and look really cute, so I got those as well. Then I also picked up, these are basically for the inside of the doors, you know, to hang gloves and stuff. Got some more of the command hooks. I do them in Wilkinson's as well. I think these were like $1.50, but these are the ones that come off as well and don't damage anywhere, so I got the proper bigger hooks this time to like hang like oven gloves and things. Then I picked up 2 of these because this colour actually matches my new bathroom. These are like 35p each. But these face cloths, I've got pink ones, like girly pink ones. These are like dusky pink, so these are going to match my bathroom so much better. So this is just 2 face cloths. So I got 2 of those. They were like 35p each. And then I also picked up, absolutely love these, but you don't put too much in because they kind of cause like a white residue on your clothes. But this one, these are like boost, like fragrance boost, but like pearls. They're a bit like Unstoppables, but they're Wilkinson's own, so they're slightly cheaper. So these are the In Wash Fragrance Boost, and I got 2 lots of those, like maracas. And then last but not least, I picked up a new Rimmel Lasting Radiance Medium Coverage, and this is because the foundation that I was talking about last week, I wasn't completely happy with it. It kind of made me look pale. It was very matte. It was only £5 from Revolution, but I think I got the wrong shade. So I actually picked this one up instead. This was on sale for like £6.50 in Wilkinson's, so it was a couple of pounds off. I think they're normally about £10, £9.99, and medium coverage. So yeah, I picked that up, and I got it in the colour Ivory. So it doesn't look too pale. I didn't try it or anything because there was no testers, but I'm hoping it matches, so I got that as well. So that was everything for my haul. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to give me a big thumbs up, that would be brilliant, and if you want to subscribe, you can do it in the link below. That's it for today's video, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.